Honorable chief guest, respected guest teachers, friends, as well as my brothers and sisters. First of all, I would like to express my gratitude to Allah the Almighty. It's because of Him. At the present time, I am standing before you all, sharing this English speech contest, and it's also pride for me, ladies and gentlemen. Let me take a time for a moment to give my speech entitled "The Importance of Islamic Education." In the scope of education, Islamic education is mostly for teenagers because it is contemporary and there are many negative impacts among students. By installing Islamic in the direction that the scholars will avoid the negative impacts of contemporary times. Islamic religious education is closely related to education in general. Islamic education aims to increase devotion to Allah, to develop the potential that exists for Muslim students and teachers who will be educated, to pass down the culture of values to students as future generations of prospective leaders of the people. The purpose of Islamic education to achieve as explained in verses number 11 Surah Al-Jadala. It means Allah will elevate those who believe among you, those who are given knowledge by certain deeds, and Allah is aware of what you do. As explained in ayat number 225, Talabul Ilm Farizatun ala kulli Muslim. It means every Muslim person should seek knowledge. There are several impacts for Islamic education for students. They will be able to apply Islam in their daily lives, for instance, praying congregation, seeking help with parents and teachers. In terms of behavior, morals, by getting an Islamic education, their morals are better, for instance, obedient to first and teachers, polite, humble to everyone, helping one another to assist at this time. Students must be better from behavior or moral